today I want to prepare bean cake for the children. It's also called washed beans, and I'll be putting some vegetables in the beans, so then I will grind. So I have my fresh tomatoes here. I have my already chopped onions here. I have my tatashe here. Then I have my fresh pepper. I have my fresh pepper here. I have my turmeric, very good. I have it here. I have my ginger, my fresh chopped ginger here. Then I have garlic all here. So I'll be putting everything inside. Then I will grind. Put everything inside. Put everything inside. You know, these things are vegetables and they are actually good for the body to make the bean cake to be very rich. So thanks for the bean cake has been grinded. You know, we put all the ingredients, so now it has been grinded, and this is the time for us to mix other vegetables inside the already grinded beans. So with me here I have some green peas, so I'll just add small. Then I also have my already carrot, so I'll add small carrot in it. Yes, and so I have with me also banana, and so I will just slice my banana into it. Slicing my banana into it. This is not the usual bean cake that you know. This is not the usual akara that you know. This is akara wey go Harvard. Yeah, this is akara wey go Harvard. And so you put salt, a pinch of salt. For me, I don't like too much of seasoning in my food. Yeah, so you put a pinch of salt in it. Then you mix. You mix it. You know, when I grinded it, I already had everything inside. My tomatoes was inside, my pepper, ginger, garlic, turmeric. So all that was inside. So for me, it depends on the texture you want. Some people can add a little bit of water in it. So some people can prefer to do it like this if you want to. It depends. And you know, this is akara I'm preparing in the house. This is not the akara you eat outside, and you can mix a lot of water inside. So you mix and you keep mixing until the taste you want it. Okay, this is perfect. This is perfect. Keep mixing. You have to mix the ingredients very well with the beans. If you want to add, if it's not enough, if you want to add, you can still add. If you want to add, for me, I'll add a little bit of carrots, and I'll still add. Yeah, I still want to add. If you want to, then you keep mixing. Keep mixing. If you want to add a bit of water, small water inside, it's okay. So it's up to you. Some people want the akara inside to be thick. Yeah. So it depends on how you want it. And you know, the children will love it very well. I hardly buy my bean cake from outside. I prefer preparing it at home, because in the house you will trust the process. So here we are, ready to be fried. So I have to heat my oil. I have to heat my oil. So I allow the oil to be hot, then you can start. You know, the children will love this very well. You can take it with pap, what we call akamu, or custard. You can take it with oatmeal. You know, for us as mothers, we prefer to prepare food for the family in the house rather than buying your food outside. It's good to eat out once in a while, but also it's also good to homemade food. I'm telling you, is always, you trust the process. And I want you to try it at home with your kids. I tell you, they will ask for more. your kids will ask for more. You can also have it with tea. Yeah, they can have it with tea, with pap, with custard, Quaker oats. So it's ready. This is my akara. You can see the carrot. I can even see the banana inside. You can see the green peas inside. I'm telling you, this is very healthy. This is very yummy-licious. This is very delicious. Homemade bean cake akara. Please try it at home with your children.